Solid na Mexican food na sobra kalami ba ang inyuhang ginapangita? Guys, diri lang na siya sa Dirty Sanchez. Hello again guys. So after magpatubil, nag-decide mi sa ko ang bana na mag-dinner sa mid diri sa MTS. Since both of us were craving for Mexican food, we decided to try out Dirty Sanchez. Kapila na namo siya nakitaan sa TikTok and sa Facebook, and finally guys, nag-decide na jud mi mag-try. It is located sa likuran na portion sa MTS and outdoor lang ang iyahang setup, pero very nice kaayo, especially pag gabi. This is their menu guys. I'm gonna flash it here lang. Feel free to pause it na lang para makita ninyo ang ilahang different Mexican food offerings. As usual, basta kami sa kuambana mag-uban guys, daghan jud kay mi gina-order ani. And in fairness guys, sa paspas sir kay niabot ang mga orders guys, and here they are. Tara guys, tasingan na nato ang akong gi-order, but don't forget to pray first before anything else. Mag-gloves na ho guys, cause this means business. First on the list is the dirty taco meal na tag 239 pesos, and this is what it looks like, and mauni siya up close. Aside from that, naapod siya apil na sauce. For 239 pesos guys, it's not bad kay duha na kabuo ka dagko na tacos ang apil. So ayan, gibutangan na nakog lemon, dip sa sauce, and voila. Oh my gosh. Guys, promise lami jud kaayo siya, I swear. So good pa lang guys ha, naka-happy dance good si Discov Davao. Kani pa lang daan winner na. Up next is the dirty burger meal na tag 239 pesos pod. So naana ni siya apil fries pud ay og cheese sauce. So it's actually not bad guys. For 239 pesos na apil burger, kani ang cheese sauce ug fries niya daghan-daghan pud baya. And this is the size comparison of the burger versus my hand. Okay guys, so diri na ta sa exciting part, tastingan nato ni siya na meal. Buo sa ta og cheese sauce diri na side before nato siya kaunon, and when I tried it, oh my gosh. Aside sa lami siya guys, sulit pa jud kay siya, tanawa ra gud ang sulod no, and don't forget to eat the fries. Abe kalami jud ni guys, promise. Up next kay supposedly appetizer pero ika-third na mo siya na try is the dirty nachos. And in fairness guys ha, dako-dako na pud baya siya, and when I tried it, oh my gosh, lami kay siya guys, I swear. Dagko pa jud kaayo ang iyahang nacho chips, and wala gyud gitipid sa beef. Patabang sa ta sa atong gwapo na assistant kay nabulingit ta diri na side. For 299 pesos, honestly okay na siya kay kanitanan, it's so big. Good for 2 to 3 persons na pud siya guys, so it's very sulit. Up next kay I tried the coleslaw burger na order sa akong bana. Now to be honest, dili jud ko fan sa coleslaw ever since bata pa ko, so that's why ham-ham lang siya sa ako. Okay ra. Pero sa mga ganahan sa coleslaw, I still recommend this one guys. It's still good. Up next is the rabbit burger. Now, I honestly don't know nga no rabbit burger ang tawag ani, pero I think different siya kay tuna siya tomato sa sulod and all. Pero ako guys, ganahan magukay ko tomato, so when I tried this one, oh my gosh, ganahan kay ko ani, and I would definitely order this again. And this one is obviously not my order, the chili burger, kay dili bi adyo ko fan sa halang, pero syempre I just wanted to try it out, and this is what it looks like inside. Kana pa lang itsura pa lang power na kayo guys, and when I tried it, it actually took a while para ma-feel gyud ako iyahang halang guys. So at this point, nagpatabang na jud ko og soft drinks ani, kay yes, halang gyud siya guys, I'm not even kidding. Pero guys, kung kaya lang jud nako ang halang, I would definitely buy this again. So kanina order ako ana lang gipasa sa ako ang bana, kay kani hilig maguna siya og halang. And reaction niya obviously happy kayo siya. And the last one is tostada, which is 189 pesos, and this is what it looks like guys. I think tostada yung pangalan kay tungod murag toasted manggod ang iyahang shell, murag gahi-gahi ba. And when I tried it guys, oh my gosh, it was so good. Wala gyud siya gitipid sa ingredients, and I definitely recommend this one. It is definitely a must try. Overall rating na pud ta karon guys, food is 1,000 out of 10, place is a 9 out of 10, and don't forget to bring off lotion and small e-fan kay tungod outdoor magod siya. And they also have another branch at Eden Street, Maa. Overall happy kami sa mong first Dirty Sanchez experience, and we are definitely going back. Kato lang, bye!